We're here at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we're looking at a 2012 Harley Davidson Dyna Wide Glide. It's got the big red flames on the tank, highway bars, LED headlights and turn signals, handlebar bag on the front, cell phone mount, nice saddlebags, luggage rack, passenger backrest, and the matching flame stitch seat. We're at 33,363 miles. And that was the Screamin' Eagle exhaust you just heard. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we're open 6 days a week for test rides.